I'm going to put one on every one of my machines.
This is a dream product with 100% customer satisfaction.
Our customers often ask specifically for them.
It's not often that any product gets such unsolicited praise, especially from construction professionals who expect and demand the best from the products they sell. Then again, this is no ordinary product. The Rezloh Edge, the one edge that makes any bucket better in virtually any soil. With its revolutionary design and rugged construction, the Rezloh Edge has the breakout force to work through the toughest hardpan, while the machine keeps all four wheels on the ground, using engine horsepower to excavate, not the hydraulics. The Rezloh Edge can be ordered for wheel loader, skid steer, and loader backhoe buckets, and for virtually any make of machine. Bolt-on or weld-on installation is fast and easy, requiring only a few minutes' work to vastly improve bucket productivity. The key to the remarkable performance of the Rezloh Edge is the design and construction of the teeth. High-demand edges are manufactured of cast steel with wear additives for extended service compared to standard straight bucket edges. Special order pieces are through hardened for even longer life in the worst conditions. Non-standard edges can be ordered from the factory to satisfy nearly any application. As a result of the care and craftsmanship that goes into the construction of every part, Rezloh edges are warranted against breakage due to material defects or workmanship for the life of the product. The degree of slope at the tip of each tooth and in the pockets between teeth allows the edge to break up material across the entire face of the bucket. By the time the material passes over the teeth tips, it offers little resistance and the bucket fills easily. The Rezloh Edge also has more contact points with the soil, effectively spreading out this braking action to make each pass more productive and reduce wear on individual teeth to prolong service life. And because the edge breaks material up so thoroughly, operators are able to fill the bucket easier with each pass, increasing productivity over standard flat bucket edges. The Rezloh Performance Edge, it becomes perfectly clear in operation. With its unique design, the Rezloh Edge allows operators to work in the worst hardpan with all four wheels on the ground, delivering all of the performance the equipment manufacturer originally engineered into it. What we mean is that all of the engine's horsepower is being put to the ground, and the hydraulics aren't being overtaxed to penetrate the surface, the way they often are with standard straight edges or even with other cutting-edge teeth or shanks. Additionally, because the front wheels are in constant contact with the soil surface, the work is being done by all four wheels and not just the rear wheels. With this edge, the operator doesn't have to dig with the hydraulics alone. In fact, if the operator tries to use the bucket in the same way as one with a conventional edge, the machine will simply stop. The natural operator response with the Rezloh Edge is to roll the bucket back as it fills, which again keeps the wheels to the ground, where they deliver productive power. With a standard edge, the front wheels are often lifted off the ground in hardpan because the solid steel can't effectively penetrate the surface when the operator attempts to force it into the ground using the hydraulics. Obviously, when this occurs, the advantages of four-wheel drive are completely eliminated, and front-end damage can occur from repeated dropping. Add to this the increased wear on hydraulic systems and the potential for additional rear tire wear due to slippage, And it's easy to spot one of the most critical advantages the Rezloh Edge provides over other bucket edges: reduced wear-related cost and increased machine uptime. And with the exceptional breakout force this edge generates, most operators can work at just half throttle, effectively reducing fuel costs over the workday. When leveling, a standard straight bucket edge frequently passes over the top of raised areas, digging holes on the other side, and that requires additional passes to even out the site. The Rezloh Edge easily penetrates those same raised areas, leveling them smoothly and efficiently in one pass. Plus, when it's time to clean up after the job, the unique edge design picks up cleanly without material trail off at the sides of the bucket, so every pass is productive. Doing more jobs with one machine, that's one sure way to make the day more profitable. The Rezloh Edge makes every bucket a superior digging and cleanup tool, ready to tackle a variety of tasks. From contractors to gravel operations to rental yards, more businesses every day are discovering the Rezloh Edge and the edge it gives them over their competitors. We've talked about its superior performance in hardpan, but contractors, landscapers, and other dirt-moving pros will quickly discover that the Rezloh Edge is just as good in clay, loam, or any other soil, delivering 3 to 5 times the productivity of standard straight edges, depending on soil condition. Rental yards all over the country are finding that machines with the Rezloh Edge have more repeat customers and are in high demand week after week. In addition to these markets, the Rezloh Edge is ideal for other applications, such as municipalities, specialty contractors, asphalt and concrete companies, farms and agribusinesses, and utilities. Many products claim to sell themselves, but the Rezloh Edge truly does. Once operators bolt a set on and use it for a few hours, most simply won't go back to standard edges again. The change is that dramatic. In fact, those same operators usually come back to buy additional sets for their other machines as well. Easy for operators to use, easy for dealers to sell. That's the Rezloh Edge.
I told my dealer that if the Rezloh Edge would work in the area I had in mind, it would work anywhere. This area has volcanic rock and compacted soil. Nobody could dig with a front bucket in this area. They do now. I highly recommend the Rezloh Edge to other people.
Improved breakout force, easy one-pass cleanup, versatility and productivity in any soil, reduced machine wear, greater fuel efficiency. It all adds up to more customer satisfaction and repeat business. The Rezloh Edge makes any wheel loader, loader backhoe, or skid steer a more productive, more profitable digging tool. It's the competitive edge